guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another one of Phil's special videos. Today he is going to show us how to make cauliflower stew with some shrimp and fish. For this you will need some oil and some shrimp. He have 2 bags of extra small shrimp here. And you are going to be needing this small fish. It's called Smelt, and he bought it at Walmart. So if you go on the seafood area in Walmart, you will definitely find this, hopefully. And then he have a head of cauliflower, 3 tomatoes, and 1 onion cut up. And he have 2, 4, 6, 8 eggs and some tomato paste. Is that all they need, or did they need water or anything? Okay. Alright, so that's all you guys need. Please check the description box where I will try my best to list everything that you guys need for this video. Let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to get started, you want to go ahead and wash your cauliflower. And the next thing he's going to do is cut up the cauliflower into some small pieces. Basically shredding it like a cabbage. And then he's going to go ahead and blend the tomatoes and the onion. So again, all he's doing is cutting up the cauliflower. Let me know in the comment down below. Let me know if you are a cauliflower lover or if you like broccoli. I prefer broccoli over cauliflower, but I fell in love with cauliflower because I had this from Philip, and I'm telling you guys, you have to try this recipe. This is my favorite. I like to eat it with boiled yams. That's what he usually make, or with his jollof rice. If you haven't, go ahead and check out his jollof rice recipe. I will leave that video, the link for that video, down in the description box for you guys to check out. So again, all he's doing is chopping that cauliflower. If you're interested in following Philip, I will leave his Instagram name down in the description box for you guys to go follow him on Instagram. And of course, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and come snap with me on Snapchat. And also, please go like my Facebook page and share that page with everybody that you know. And also go check out my Twitter page and my other cooking channel, which is a Creole channel. The link for all those will be down in the description box for you guys to check out. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. But welcome to the channel if you are new. And if you are a return subscriber, hey y'all, welcome back. Alright guys, this is what the cauliflower look like once he's done chopping it. And now we're gonna go ahead and blend the tomatoes, the onion, and then a few habanero peppers. We won't really show that part because you guys know how to blend things. Just use a little bit of water just so it can blend nice and smooth. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and add some tomato paste. How much tomato paste? The whole can of tomato paste. The small can, of course. You want me to mix it for you?
Yes.
Just mix that in. If you're a guy that can cook, leave me a comment down below. Represent yourself, guys. Because my friend Philip, he definitely know what he's doing. Again, Philip is from Ghana. Where in Ghana are you from?
Actually, I'm from Jakarta City. I'm in Accra.
Accra. So if you're from Ghana, hey, throw your flag down in the comments. Represent for your country. In fact, you guys should Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching these videos from, please. I would love to know where you guys are located, what state, what country. Let's just chit chat. Let me know. So now we're gonna go ahead and put in the ginger, that blend. Sorry, not the ginger. That blend of onion and garlic and tomato, and that pepper.
Onion, garlic, pepper, and tomatoes. Okay,
onion, garlic, pepper, and tomatoes. So mix that in. Philip is so soft-spoken. That's why I do most of the talking on these videos. He's just so soft-spoken. And then how long does this simmer for? All right, guys, so we let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Now he's gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. A teaspoon and a half about of salt. And some the perfect seasoning, which is the Goya brand, about half a teaspoon, and some garlic and scallion and allspice seasoning, and allspice, ground allspice, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of each of the spices, guys, and then some of that Creole seasoning. And some Jamaican curry powder. He's using the hot one. About 1/4 teaspoon for that one. And some Mrs. Dash. And you want to just mix everything in. And are we gonna let it simmer, or are we putting the thing in?
We can put it.
Okay, so we're gonna let this simmer just for a few minutes. All right, so now you're gonna go ahead and add your shrimp and the fish, and of course mix it well so it can be heated through. I will let the chef handle the spoon. Again, this is the fish and 1 bag of that small shrimp.
The pot is too small.
Okay. He said his pot is a little small. And then are you going to let this simmer?
Yeah.
Okay. And then now he's gonna crack some eggs and put the eggs in. He's risking it, guys. I'd be scared to do this. I wouldn't want the shells to fall in, but again, he knows what he's doing. So now, is this a recipe you created yourself, or is this okay? This is your recipe. But trust me, guys, when I say it's good, it's good. So far, no shell in the food. It's a good job. Okay, so he got the eggs in there. Okay, and he have the stove set on medium high, and he's just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes again. You want the eggs to cook?
I would say it's bad. It doesn't really.
Are you stirring it at all?
I will do it, but not now.
Okay. So don't stir it. Just let it cook for a few minutes. Now you want to go ahead and put in the cauliflower, which was already washed before it was cut up. And mix that in. If you're not a big fan of cauliflower, try this recipe. You will definitely like this one. if you like yams, boiled yams, try this recipe with a piece of boiled yam, and you will definitely like it. You want to go ahead to reduce your heat to a medium at this point so it's not burning. And once you do that, you just going to cover it and let it simmer for a good 15 to 20 minutes, and it will be pretty much done. All right guys, as you can see, it is done. And of course I have to taste it just because you guys know me. I'm telling you guys have to give this recipe a try. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.